Today we're going to be taking a look at Defunc's latest true wireless product. So they've sent me over this this box, so we're going to take a little look inside and see what we've got. Okay, so as you can see, Defunc True GO, that's the name of the new product. So what we've got here is black, red, white, blue and another black one at the end there, so obviously various different colours that you can get these in, which is great. So we'll run through this display package quickly, and then what we'll do is we'll take one of the products and we'll have a little look at it in more detail. Okay, so starting at the top here, so we've got obviously the name of the product, Defunc True GO, and it says underneath there, you won't be able to see it too clearly, but it says world unique multi-tip design. Okay, so that's basically the shape of the bud. So what Defunc have done is they've created this multi-tip which takes into account the best of music, the best of voice and the best of sport as well, so that it combines all of those features to make it a nice secure fit in your ear for whatever you're using it for. So as it says down here, the multi-tip innovation, focus group approved Swedish design, which is great. Silicon tips, so the actual tips of these made of silicon, so it says for powerful sound and anti-slip stability. Also bud heel as well, which is the little piece that sticks out of the top here. Okay, so that clicks in nice and securely into your ear. So it says for superb fit and long-lasting comfort. The last one on there says touch control. It says for easy listening and conversation, which is great. So obviously touch control is built into them as well. Over here we've got a few of the features. So it says powerful sound, secure fit. These are all in multi-language. Microphone, 15-hour playtime. IPX4 water resistant, which is great because it means that they're also sweat resistant, so you can wear them at the gym or when you're running or whatever. And also USB-C fast charging as well, which is great, you know, moving away from micro USB into the USB-C domain, because that's what a lot of devices nowadays come equipped with, USB-C charging and what have you. So also it's fast charging, which is great to hear. Final one up in the top corner there is Bluetooth 5.0, which is obviously the latest and greatest version of Bluetooth. So it's really good that they've got those included as well. So what we're going to do, like I say, is we're going to take one of these out of the box, we're going to have a little look at it in more detail and do a sound test and what have you, and hopefully we'll see just how good these are. Right, we now have one of them out of the master packaging so that we can take a look at it in a bit more detail. So here we have the carton as the customer will see it. So again, same features on the front there that we've already called out. On the side, truly improve your wireless life, superb secure fit, powerful sound, long-lasting comfort, touch control, Bluetooth 5.0, USB-C and a wireless range of 10 meters. All good stuff. Simplifying your choice, it says on the top there, which is the slogan from Defunc. And then usual stuff down the bottom there, designed in Sweden. All good. So on the back there, a little bit more detail. So it tells you again about the bud heel, the silicon tip. This is the actual size of the bud. Touch controls, microphone and the water resistance feature as well with the IPX4 rating. In English there it says our multi-tip innovation is a focus group approved design combining best liked music, communication and sport earbud functions. Down the bottom there it tells you about the charging case that's included and gives you an illustration there of it as well. But let's have a look at the actual product. So we'll slide the top off the case. Move it over to the side. Okay, there's our first look. Okay, looks pretty good. So, oh, hang on. And then the top part of that comes off to expose the Type-C USB cable. All good. And then the product itself. Let's move that over there. First impression, really nice feel. Feels very smooth. Feels very premium, which is good. So looking at the case itself, so you've got your usual certifications on the back there, your model, True GO, etc, etc. On the front you've got the Defunc logo, you've got 4 dots on the front there, which I can only assume are the charging lights, and on the bottom there you've got the port for the USB-C charger. Okay, then flip open the top, and there's the buds. Okay, again looks very good, looks very premium. Just made a sound. Okay, let's take it out and have our first look at the actual bud itself. Okay, so what we've got then, first things first is you'll notice the shape. So that's the multi-tip. Okay, so what Defunc have basically done is they've taken the shape from various different earbuds and created this multi-tip. So the idea of this is that it combines all of the different styles and types of earbud that they've used in the past and put it all into one. So you've got the bud here which keeps it in place, similar to like the sport earbuds, and then you've got the sound directed into your ear using the multi-tip, like points if you like, or the tip. So you've got the actual shape of the bud there. It's actually got a blue and red flashing light on the back of it at the moment, saying that it's looking for a Bluetooth connection. On the stick, you've got Defunc logo. Looks good. On the button there, you've got 2 charging ports, dots, connectors, probably the best word. And then you got your microphone built in there as well. Now, even though you can't see it on the back here, there's touch controls on there as well. Okay. Now the touch controls, the way that they work is that if you're listening to music, you touch it once, it will pause. Touch it again, it will play. Double tap, it will skip a track. On the right side, triple tap will activate your voice control assistant, so like Alexa or something like that, depending on what you've got on your phone, obviously. On the left hand side, similar thing, play and pause using single tap. Double tap will start the track again, and double tap again straight after will start the previous track, so it'll skip backwards, and then again triple tap will activate your voice assistant. Okay, so I'll do an audio test on these as well, just to find out just how good they are, but all of the reports I've heard so far are very positive. So let's pop that back in the case there. So drop that back in, close the top, and then what should happen, yeah, there we go. So the LEDs illuminate to let me know how much charge the charging case has got on it, so that we know when to plug it into the USB-C charger and charge them up again. But now they are in there and charging away, which is great. Okay, so the two of them together, obviously they are IPX4 rated, so again you can wear them at the gym, and the idea being, you just bear with me 1 second, they stay in your ear, as I just found out. Okay, so that's very good. So again, you can use them at the gym or when you're out running. I don't think there's any concern of them actually falling out when you're doing any of your exercises or activities. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Obviously they are true wireless, no wires whatsoever, so nothing connecting your device to these apart from the Bluetooth connection, which obviously is Bluetooth 5.0. And yeah, that's basically the True Go. Fantastic product, fantastic price, available pretty much everywhere, I think. I know they're certainly available in Amazon, so you'll be able to get them on there, and there'll be other retail outlets as well that'll be selling these, I'm sure. So yeah, go out and get yourself a pair of these. I don't think you'll be disappointed. I will do an audio test and I'll put my notes in the bottom letting you know how that went. But as I said before, all of the reports that I've heard so far are very positive. So that's the Defunc True Go. Okay, so that concludes my review of Defunc's new True Go True Wireless earbuds. On a scale of 1 to 10, I have to give them a 10, and that's purely down to the fact that they are incredible earbuds at the price that you can get them for. I'm not disappointed with any part of this particular product. I think that everything's been carefully considered and it's been executed extremely well. Like I say, with the audio test, the songs that I tested it with, various different genres, they all passed with flying colours. I can't complain. Really, really good. So yeah, so if you've liked the video, hit the like button down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.